Happy Friday, everyone.
What are you making this table for?
I'm just replacing that shelf, basically.
Oh, because it was wonky. Yeah.
So, go with something heavier and easier to put some wood across it.
Nice. Scraping some floors. What are you making?
Fuse box cover for Tommy truck.
Fuse box cover?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Not a question of what I'm doing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Obviously. I'm just kidding. I thought Bodywork was supposed to be done in the back.
It is. I'm not pushing it back there to sand these 2 corners. I made little napkins to catch all my
I
trash.
gotcha. Nice.
And I'm catching most of it.
That's mainly just the grill to fit it to the
Yeah,
fenders.
just to try to get it to fit the fenders and
Nice. Just filling the radiator.
still trying to figure out why it won't start.
Oh, well, I thought there was something wrong with the ECU, right?
Right now, I'm not sure. This connector, which is usually a pressure sensor, that connector down here, that connector is completely dead whenever you've got the key on. 3 wires, it should have one that's 5 volts. With it unplugged, it should have one that's 2.5, 3, 2, 2, somewhere around there volts. And one of the pins should be ground, but with it unplugged, I've got nothing. None of those 3 wires are actually connected to anything, and I didn't have any manifold pressure signal. Or just kind of run overlays from the ECU up to there. I've got manifold pressure now, but it still won't start, and it's acting like it just won't fire injectors.